Here at Emory, I've recently changed my role. I was previously in patient relations, and I worked in that for about 6 years, and then shifted to our adult congenital cardiac program as an admin assistant. So what I do is work directly with our physician, our nursing staff, our medical assistant, as well as our patients. I get them scheduled, get them in here, follow-up phone calls, work with scheduling exams for them. And it really puts a whole different spin on patient relations, because this is really where it starts to happen. I'm often that very first contact on the phone, and it's exciting to me to be able to be that first contact and hopefully give patients that good first impression of Emory and where they're coming. I've been in the healthcare industry all of my professional life. My background is in social work, and my internship as a social worker was working in an emergency department, and I got hooked. I think you come into healthcare, and if you love it and you don't leave it. And so I've worked in a lot of different capacities in healthcare, but always very people focused. And so it's been over 20 years now. As a child, I was always drawn to the idea of teaching. And even though this may not seem connected to teaching, the connection is that interaction with people and with helping people and with establishing relationships with other people. And so I think teaching evolved to social work, evolved to patient relations, evolved to working directly in a physician's office. I was drawn to Emory. One, it's exciting being on a college campus. There's something new and interesting and frankly fun about that. The other thing was, having lived in Atlanta for over 20 years, obviously familiar with Emory, familiar with the reputation that Emory has within the community in the Southeast, and it just always seemed like it would be a great place to work. And I have found that to be true. Some of the things I like are, I work with great people, I work with great staff, we have great physicians, but also there's a lot of opportunities here. I think one of the great things about being here is that I don't have to stay in the same job my entire Emory career, but that there's opportunities for me to grow and develop and pursue different interests still within the setting of Emory and with Emory as my employer. I think for me, what makes Emory so different from any place that I've ever worked really would be the opportunities for growth that Emory offers and the focus on people. I feel like Emory really does focus on its people and values its valuable people. And so as an employee, I feel valued.